All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So berth and berth. So berth, where a ship is located in a harbour. So a ship in the harbour. Yeah. The ship's berth is damaged. We built the berth with new material. Yes. So the ships need to be left in the berth. Yeah. Yeah. The berth is where those berths are where the ships are repaired and maintained. Yeah. How cool is that? But birth, the moment when someone first enters the world. So let's have a look. So like, here we are, birth. Yeah, anything. Yeah, oh, even better. Oh yeah, here we are. Yeah. Yeah, perfect. Yes, exactly, yeah. I will be there for the birth. This is the maternity ward. We help women give birth to their children. Yeah, to be there for the birth was very important. The birth is a very important moment in a person's life. Yeah. The father will be there with the mother for the birth. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, so let's try and look at baby. Oh yeah, here we are. Even better. Anything. Yeah. Here we are. Yeah. The birth can be an exciting and important moment and time. The birth can be an exciting and important moment. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, very good. All right, so can you use birth and birth in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.